Hello again, it's Mark Steffen from Winning Solutions Inc. and MicrosoftAccessExpert.com, and today I want to talk to you a little bit about the reasoning and some of the little tricks and things you need to do to make Microsoft Access work better on a tablet format. We all know that Access has been around in a long time, so we've had customers that have been using Access in their business for 14, 15, 16 years, long before tablets ever came out. So it's fantastic that this really old technology is making its way forward onto tablets. In a previous video I've described how you can now run Access natively on a tablet that's not super expensive. In the past you had to buy a Microsoft Surface Pro, which was around $1,000. And now there are tablets like the Asus Vivo Smart Tab, like this one right here, that are about $400 on MicrosoftStore.com. So if you're thinking about getting into a tablet, I would really urge you to check those out. They have excellent battery life, the price is not too expensive, and they can run real Access as well as the full versions of your other favorite Office software. So basically, you can do anything you can do on a real PC with them. Obviously, there are a few limitations in terms of the amount of RAM and storage they have. So you want to make sure that your applications and what you're trying to do will fit on it. But for basic Office types of things, word processing, database work, it's a very adequate platform for that. So one of the things that if you're familiar with tablets or smartphones, you know that they have an on-screen keyboard, and that's critical for entering information. Now, since Access was built to run on a desktop PC with a real keyboard and a real mouse, the current version, 2013, is not completely suited to running on a tablet, so you just need to make a few adaptations. So one of those is that we've done and that you could do yourself, or you could get through us or have us do for you, is to make a numeric keypad and a keyboard that works in Access. So why is that important? It's important because, again, if you're out in the field entering data, you may not have a real physical keyboard. Now, these little tablets do let you hook up Bluetooth keyboards to them. So if you want to do that, and your work environment when you're mobile on the tablet allows you to do that, that's great. But if your work environment doesn't really allow you to have a keyboard and a tablet and be able to type on it at the same time because you're standing or moving about, then you're going to need an on-screen keyboard. And there is an on-screen keyboard on the Windows tablets just like there is on every other device. It's just not fully integrated with Access. So what we've done, and you can do and yourself or have us help you do, is create an on-screen numeric keypad so that when you go to a numeric field in Access and you want to enter data, you touch that, it'll pop up this little numeric pad. So I don't know if you can see this very well, but there's one right here. And if you go to our site, you'll be able to watch a video that goes into more detail about that little numeric pad. And so we can do the same thing with a full keyboard. So if you need to enter text, we can have a keyboard come up on the screen right as part of Access, so that you don't have to worry about trying to get to the little button in the lower corner to bring up the keyboard that's built into the tablet. So this is just a little nice convenient feature that makes using Access on a tablet that much easier to do. So if you have any questions about this or need help with your existing Access database or want us to create a new Access database for you, please get in touch with us through our website at MicrosoftAccessExpert.com. Thank you.